Hey, this is Lawrence and I have another fantastic effect for you that is called fireworks. I have 3 versions for you with the different intensities. I will start with the first one and of course, as always, we're gonna drag into the scene. I will extend the image. What we do here, we go to video basic, where is blend mode, we set to screen. Let's scale it. I'll take this pin corner, I scale it down, I'll put it like that. What I find that works the best, the further you put this effect in the scene, the more you should reduce opacity. It just makes the scene that much more realistic and look better. So in this case, I will reduce just a touch, perhaps 10%. Right, so this is how it's looking right now. Then I will duplicate, and what I will do, I will place in another corner right here. Perhaps I will scale it down a little bit more. I will reduce the opacity. And now you can see both of these videos are identical. So we want to offset one of them. So they start at different times. Place the time indicator anywhere. Select the first footage and press split. And we're gonna move the second part into the beginning and the first goes to the very end. So now as you can see, it looks totally different. Then duplicate one more time. Again, place, perhaps even more further in the distance, reduce a little bit of opacity. Again, place time indicator anywhere and just split it. Then we have 2 more fireworks. We set it to screen, and again, I will reduce the scale. Perhaps I'll put it like that. I will duplicate. I will move to another place. I will scale it down again, reduce some opacity, and we split it again to offset the animations. And look at that, it looks so much more festive, right? Okay, and there is one more effect, the least intense. It has like 1-2 fireworks every 2 or 3 seconds. Again, we go to blend, make it to screen. And here you go, don't forget to select all, create compound clip, hold Alt button, duplicate. And this way you can preview your animation and see if it's looping seamlessly.